Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a decorate with me video. I'm going to be doing a whole wall in something super cute, and I'm also going to be doing a review on these Onforu, assuming that's the name of it. That's what it looks like to me. These fairy lights. These are so cute. They come in a 16 pack. The thing I really like about it is, like, this is the battery pack right here. They are copper wired, so you can bend them all different ways, and I just really like that. They are so cute, and just to turn them on, you just pull this little tab out and then flip them on, and they are so cute. I am so excited to use these because I have a ton of DIY videos coming up for you, so this is not going to be the only time I use these lights. I know that you can get them at the Dollar Tree for $1, but you also have to buy batteries and stuff with them. For these, they already come with them. I think it's so great. Also, these are waterproof. The battery pack is not, but these are waterproof. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate one of my walls with Dollar Tree items and these cute little lights and things that I've already made. So I'm so excited to share that with you. Alright, so if you want to check these out, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below for you. And I'm just overjoyed by lights and things that look pretty, and I'm going to just get started. So the first thing that I decided to hang on this wall was these shelves. I made these out of popsicle sticks for only $2 each. I thought these turned out really cute, so I wanted to use these on this wall. And then the next thing, I'm just going to hang that little map I got. I also purchased that at the Dollar Tree. And then these are just like little clip lights. I've had them for so long. We have this little Polaroid camera that I don't use too often just because it's always like hidden in the closet, so I thought this would be a really cool idea to display pictures and just a lot of really cute ideas. And I'm using my first ever command hook, and I'm just going to add my little Polaroid camera on here. I can't think of what it's called off the top of my head, but it's the one that just takes pictures and they just come right out. And then I'm just adding some pictures now of my family and of my kids.
Frustration, just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls.
So I've had this little glass jar. It has a little handle on it, and I just wanted to put these little fairy lights inside. I love every little jar or every clear jar that has fairy lights in it. I think it just looks so cute and so nice, and you can barely even see that battery pack unless you actually look at it. So you're probably looking at it now. And then I thought I would add some flowers to it, but I really just decided it was cute without flowers and on its own. And then I also decided to use this and sign in another little shelf and just put the little fairy lights behind it. I thought this effect looked so pretty, and I just really love this wall. Alright, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you loved this easy little wall decor items that I had for you. I am so excited. I think these are so pretty. I love these fairy lights, and thank you so much for Onforu for sending these to me. And if you would like to check these lights out, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you're able to, and I cannot wait to make more DIYs with these. So if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!